Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can transfer Bybit to Web3 wallet. Right, so it's really easy. You have to open your Web3 wallet, that is a MetaMask. Copy your wallet address to ensure you have it ready for the transfer. Log in your Bybit account, go to the Bybit website and log in into your account. Choose on the add asset section. There will be a tab located at the top right corner of the Bybit interface. In the assets section, follow and click on withdraw. This will allow you to begin the process of transferring funds out of Bybit. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer from the list provided. Ensure that the cryptocurrency is supported by both Bybit and Web3 wallet. Paste your Web3 wallet address in the receipt address field. Ensure and enter the amount you wish to transfer. Make sure to select the correct blockchain network, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, that correspond with the Web3 wallet settings. Review all the details carefully. Ensure that the wallet address is correct. Check for any applicable gas fee and estimated transfer time. Click on next and then confirm your withdrawal request. You may need to enter a verification code sent to your email for security purposes. This is it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe this video. If you need any help, let us know in the comment box.